Welcome to the Scuba Made YouTube channel.
Okay guys, as you can see here, I've got the old orangey looking angel eyes. But that's all about to change today because these little guys have just come in the mail. So that's a nice super bright LED from wherever that place is. Anyway, I'd put these in my 325i. It was one of the first things I did, and it was fairly easy. You do just have, they're gonna go in here. I've obviously pulled this apart already. You've got kind of limited room at the back, which is this bit. And if you use other LEDs, the back's too long, they won't fit. So I'm hoping these fit. There's not a lot of room down in there, so yeah. And then I've just got to plug it in and make sure they work. So let's get started and change these to newer looking LED lights. It'll definitely look nicer once they're in. So the process is pretty simple. It's been a while since I last did this. Yeah, you will need a screwdriver pretty much just to pop this cap off. You just got to get in here and pop that, and this thing will pop out. Pretty easy to do. And then you got to turn this. Can't remember which way, probably that way. Yeah, just turn that like that. And then it should just pop out. There we go. Yeah, pretty easy. It's definitely helped having a screwdriver. You can do this without a screwdriver, but the screwdriver just makes it really easy. So there's not much room down here. Okay, to unplug it, just pretty much take that bit there off and that bit there off and pull it back, and that's out. Super easy. I actually love how easy that is. Now, I'm not sure, you probably have to have this on a certain way, so what I'm going to do is plug it in. Hang on, is there? No, there's no locator in there, so it can go on either way. I'll plug it in and then go and turn it on, make sure it works. Okay, so yeah, that's not working, so it must go in the other way. There we go. Yep, so it does matter. That little fan's ripping now, and that is on, and that is bright. So let's get it in. I'll probably turn that off because it's really bright. Okay, so it is a bit tight, as you'll see. And the last one was in like that. Might just try and line up these bits because they're different sizes. Yeah, it looks like that's like that. So the last one was sort of about there, I think. So it's gonna finish at about there. Alright, so to get it in, it was over like that. So I'll try and get it in maybe with this bit pointing down. It's a little bit tricky. And yeah, I don't know if you can see this, but I remember this from my old car. The plastic insulation of the wiring just falls apart. It's horrible. So actually, I might not plug that in just yet. I'm just gonna pop some tape on here so that, because that yellow one looks like it's the positive, and yeah, I don't want it touching anything. The brown one's probably alright because it appears to be an earth anyway, so if it touches something it's alright, as long as it doesn't touch positive. So anyway, I've got that in there now. I actually twisted it in with my screwdriver, and yeah, it's nice and stable now. Just pop that cover back on. See what that looks like. Yeah, that's better. You can see that. That one's now much brighter than that one. That'll look even better at night. So that's so much nicer. Let's get that one in. Okay, that's all in there now, nice and tucked away. And don't get me wrong, that was pretty hard. You can see it down in there, just there. Yeah, that's not so easy. Anyway, we'll get this back on, and that should look much better. Simple. Rightio. Moment of truth. Go and turn it all on. Well, I guess I plugged it in the wrong way. There we go. That looks much better. And that plug was the opposite from that one. Oh, what's going on there? Oh, why do they look like they flicker when I do that? That's weird. Anyway, yeah, I might finish up about there, I'd say. And yeah, nice easy video. That looks heaps better. I'm happy with that. And yeah, I'll be trying to put a few more LED lights in the front there when I can. So stay tuned for those videos when they come. And yeah, nice, quick, easy upgrade here. A little bit difficult getting them bulbs in, but yeah, a little tinkering with it. It's pretty easy once you're done, and it looks great. So yeah, thanks very much for watching, and be sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and for us a like if you want, and leave a message if you want, share it if you want, and stay tuned for the next one. Thanks very much for watching. I'll see you later.